Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have very interesting product here for unboxing today with us, and that's the all new Honor's latest laptop. Again, this is the first time Honor is launching a brand new laptop in India, and it comes with very interesting three important features. The first one is it comes with a 65-watt power support, which is a Type-C support, and along with that it comes with a pop-up camera. Yes guys, we have been hearing about pop-up cameras on smartphones, but this is the first time we are looking at on a laptop in India at least. And the third feature is, again, it comes with a fingerprint scanner which works as your power button and also to unlock your smartphone. So let me just open up this package, and again, this is a review unit which I have got it from Honor India, and this comes clearly with a mention that it comes with the AMD Ryzen 5 3500U processor, and it comes with the AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics GPU, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and a 15.6 inches of display is what is mentioned here. But then let me just quickly open this up and take a quick look at the laptop. And also, if many of you are interested, I would probably compare this one with the latest laptop which we had recently covered on our channel, which was from Xiaomi India, and which was called as the laptop, which is the Mi Notebook 14, the Horizon edition, which we already have. But then again, I don't think these are comparable, because the Honor one is priced at around 39,900 rupees if I'm not wrong, which is super aggressively priced for the first buyers who would be interested to buy it, and that's a very interesting price point. And then first off, what we have here is a larger sized variant, which is a 15.6 inches, which is a proper display size for someone who is using a laptop as their primary computer and not something for traveling. So this is how the laptop looks like. Again, we have a Honor branding here, which is pretty minimal. I mean, it's clearly evident, but then yeah, that's what you get. And if you take a look at the back, we have this kind of a design with the logos, which is again good. I mean, earlier they used to throw all the stickers on the front, now they are on the back, and we have two rubberized grips on the bottom areas, which is clearly visible. If you look at from this angle, it's clearly visible that when you put this on your table, the back won't be damaged, and you have a very good base, and that's one very good thing. You have a button here which clearly says this is the pop-up camera, and the moment you press it, we have the camera here, and the camera angle isn't going to be great, but then yes, that's what you get. Let me just first complete the setup of the OS on this one, and then directly take you to the home screen and then talk more. Setup process, we have got an option to set up the fingerprint scanner, and this is the process for the same, which looks very interesting. I mean, at least for me, I'm doing it for the first time. I don't recall doing it on my MacBook Pro also, but this is pretty interesting. So we could unlock the laptop with a touch of your finger, and that's something very interesting. And since we are done with this, let us go ahead and complete the other procedure. So guys, the boot up has been completed, and now we are onto the login page, but I will have to scan with my finger, and one tap and we are logged in. So the fingerprint reader works amazingly good. Again, the laptop also comes with Dolby Atmos, and if you guys are interested, and if you would like to have any questions, you can share the same in the comment section below. And meanwhile, let me just go to the computer area, and here you can see we have two different partitions. Again, this comes with a 255 GB of storage, 250GB storage, and that is decent enough. I wouldn't say it's something great, but that's what you get here. And let me just go to the computer area and try to see more details about this system itself. Again, do make a note that this comes with preloaded Windows 10 out of the box, and apart from that, this comes with a pop-up camera. Let me just pop up this camera, and this is the button for the same, but then we'll have to first open the camera application. So here we go, that's the camera application, and right now it's not on, and that's because we have not turned it on. But let me just try to enable this, and here we go. That's too bright, but then after a moment or so, it has perfectly optimized itself, and this is what we get. Let me just enable the HDR mode here, that can give you a better quality again, and this is in HDR auto. It also has face detect, which is again a very good feature, and here we also have the option to record videos. So anyone who would like to have a selfie video shot, you can make use of this camera and use the same. I wouldn't say it's a great camera, it's a decent camera. The only thing which I don't like is the angle. I mean, who would look at the keyboard and speak, because the camera is here while you would be looking at the screen if you're having a video conference or a Skype call. But then it's still far more better than the Xiaomi's laptop, which didn't even have a camera in it. So in that case, I still feel that having a pop-up camera makes sense. Again, this is just an unboxing and a quick overview on what we get on this laptop, like all the options and everything. And this is what you get in the all new Honor's 15 inches laptop, which comes with some very interesting features. And again, if you talk about the pricing, I think in the first sale itself you could buy this at a price of 39,990 rupees, which is, again, I would say a very competitive pricing. And since it comes with the Windows OS pre-installed, and you're good to go with a computer which comes with the Ryzen chipset and a very beautiful display and a very beautiful form factor. As you can see here, this comes with a very simple but yet kind of bezel-less display, and that's the all new Honor MagicBook 15. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and stay subscribed to Phone Radar for more videos. I'm Amit and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.